students, let's continue with the chapter Statistics. Today we are going to learn about measures of central tendency. This topic is not the part of your syllabus now. It has been deleted. But learning this is important since this will be continued in 10th class. So I will explain it briefly once. First of all, mean. The mean or average of a number of observations is the sum of the values of all the observation divided by the total number of observation. So let's do one question related to that. The following number of goals were scored by a team in a series of 10 matches. 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 3, 3, 4 and 3. Find the mean of these scores. So mean of the data, that is equal to sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. Or by symbol we can represent the mean as x bar, that is equal to, this is a Greek symbol, this is called sigma. This is used for summation. So we can write a symbol as summation of xi, that is all observation where I varies from 1 to 10. Here observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here I varies from 1 to 10 divided by total number of observation. So we'll add all observation, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 divided by 10. If we add this, we will get 28 divided by 10, that is equal to 2.8. So the mean is 2.8. Now next measure of central tendency is median. The median is that value of the given number of observations which divides it into exactly two parts. Now let's discuss one question related to that. The heights in centimeter of 9 students of a class are as follows: 155, 160, 145, 149, 150, 147, 152, 144 and 148. Find the median of this data. First of all, we arrange the data in ascending order as follows. Here I have written this data in ascending order. Here number of observation is equal to 9, which is an odd number. If it is an odd number, for finding median we have to use this formula, n plus 1 by 2th observation. We have to find out the n plus 1 by 2th observation here. Here n is equal to 9. So 9 plus 1 divided by 2th observation, that is equal to 10 by 2th observation. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. That is 5th observation we have to find out. So let's check which is the 5th observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is the 5th observation. So this is the median here, that is 149 centimeter. Now let's discuss one more question related to median. The points scored by a Kabaddi team in a series of matches are as follows: 17, 2, 7, 27, 15, 5, 14, 8, 10, 24, 48, 10, 8, 7, 18 and 28. Find the median of the points scored by the team. So first of all we had to arrange this into ascending order. So I have arranged this in ascending order like this: 2, 5, 7, 7, 8, 8, 10, 10, 14, 15, 17, 18, 24, 27, 28 and 48. Now here number of observation, that is equal to 16, which is an even number. If number of observation is an even number, we have to use this formula to find out the median, that is n by 2th observation plus n by 2 plus 1th observation divided by 2. So let's find out which is this observation, that is 16 by 2th observation, that means 8th observation, plus 16 by 2 plus 1 means 8 plus 1, that is 9th observation divided by 2. So let's find out 8th observation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8th observation is 10 and 9th observation is 14. So let's add them. 10 plus 14 divided by 2, that is 24 divided by 2, that is equal to 12. So the median is 12 here. So next measure of central tendency is mode. The mode is that value of observation which occurs most frequently. That is, an observation with the maximum frequency is called the mode. So let's solve one questions related to that. Find the mode of the following marks out of 10 obtained by 20 students. That is 4, 6, 5, 9, 3, 2, 7, 7, 6, 5, 4, 9, 10, 10, 3, 4, 7, 6, 9, 9. First we have to arrange this in ascending order. So I have arranged this in ascending order here. Now check which observation occurs most frequently. Here 9 occurs most frequently, that is 4 times. So the mode is 9 here. I hope you have understood these measures of central tendency, and that's all for today. Thank you.